Hi, it's Father's Day. I'm gonna do a little late afternoon canoe trip up on the Millicoma today. Just me and Charles. Tide's in, wind's blowing, expected rain. Oregon, baby. Yeah, good day for canoeing. You really feel the tide pushing.
What?
So you can really feel the tide pushing you upriver. I said we go that way so our return trip's easy. I tell you, lately it's been very rare to have sunshine. Even though there's a little bit of wind today, still not bad. Still a nice day. It's one thing nice about the Millicoma, it's kind of protected. If I were to stand up on that bank, you can see the wind going crazy, but because this big bank here behind me, you see, it kind of protects us from the wind. So you can see there's no wind chop on the water. What a beautiful day. What?
There's a creek, you said?
Oh, we passed that shit. Yeah, you took off past it and I just kept going, following you. Yeah, it's literally right there, right across from the ramp.
I'm gonna go check out that big hole.
All right. You want to turn back around and go up Davis Creek? Those purple flowers all up in the mountain up there.
There's a couple patches there.
Yeah. So I just had what you call a senior moment, I guess. I thought I was at a different boat ramp, right? So the other boat ramp, you paddle down a little bit and turn to the left, and there's this cool creek to go all the way. Well, we weren't at that boat ramp, so that creek ain't around here. Charles isn't too happy with me right now, and I'm just trying to catch back up with him. He's just paddling away. Whatever it is, it's up there on that bank.
This place, it finally feels like home.
I'm an idiot. Well, look at that weird line across the sky. Oh, it's power line.
I'm glad the camera was rolling for that. I really hope it picked it up. All the things you want to hear on Father's Day. How bright your kids are.
Being that the Millicoma River is surrounded by private property on both sides, it's important to understand that you're allowed to be from the high water mark to the river. So depending on what the tide is, if the tide's at high water, there's no land to stand on. So keep that in mind, no picnic areas at high tide. At low tide, all your picnic areas are going to be muddy because you're going to be in the tide zone. So keep that in mind if you decide to come out and enjoy the Millicoma. Show respect to the property owners. This way it stays accessible for all of us. Keeping all that in mind, I didn't do a whole lot of filming here at this spot. Very quaint spot, really neat. But I was afraid that if I were to film this area, someone might be thinking it's a campsite or something like that and might try to come back here. And I tell you, if I owned this piece of property, I wouldn't want people all over it either, because it's just gorgeous, and whoever owns it has done a lot of work to keep it this way. So please, again, show respect for the property owners.
How you doing? Oh, I got bad breath or something? I'm sorry. Like earrings. The Millicoma is always so consistent, you know, it's just farmland on both sides and a nice patch of water in the middle. You know the wind's gonna blow in the afternoon, but if you tuck into the sides, you'll be all right. But it's just quiet and peaceful. Makes you kind of envious of the people who live up here, but it is just kind of surreal with all the bird noise, and to think we're just outside of Coos Bay. Fishing's not too bad here either, but I always enjoy these kind of trips. Spur of the moment, just go do it.
What you got there?
I got that center wall from the old tent.
You trying to make a sail? He's totally trying to make a sail. Oh my god, it's actually working. There's not really much wind right here. Ah. With pure imagination, come and see what you will find. It's actually working. I'm trying to, and not crashing my boat to the bank. Oh shit. This is working. This guy makes himself a sail. One-handed paddling the canoe, chasing my bear on Father's Day. Ooh, that was bad.
There's the campground right there to your left. There's the sign for the boat ramp just ahead, right off the bow. So there's the sign for the boat ramp right off the bow.
Well, this wraps up our day on the Millicoma River. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe. I really like to build up this channel, get it a little more self-supportive, and be able to support you guys with more information on different places to go canoeing and camping and hiking and all these kind of cool things. That's what I'm all about the outdoors. So once again, thank you for watching. God bless and take care.
Hi there. Pretty good. You guys doing any good? Right on. There's some stuff jumping down the water there a little bit. Maybe it'll come your way. Yeah.